So I'm taking my bike. I'm riding along here. This is a bike path near downtown. And all of a sudden, look to the side here. Whoa, we got a slant. It goes way down. And there's the LA River down there. Well, something falls off my bike lock, falls off of my bike, and rolls all the way down to the bottom there. What are the odds of that happening? So I gotta go down and get it. It's down here somewhere. Bamboo grows like crazy down here. See people have been bathing and whatnot. That wasn't as bad as I thought. It's kind of interesting. I thought it was going to be hell. I got a thing about heights. I thought I was going to, I don't know what I thought, but I'm glad it wasn't that bad. Anyway, we're downtown. I'll be home in a little bit. I'll upload some of this stuff up. Nice scenic view here, huh? It's a great bike path. This deserves a bunch of videos later.